Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to make words appear on your screen while you're talking in your video. Okay, for today's tutorial guys, we're going to use InShot video editor. So first of all, make sure you have installed this InShot video editor app on your mobile phone. And after you have installed this application, you can open it. And then we're going to create new project. You can click on a video and then you can click on new and add the video you want to edit. And for me, I'm just going to use the project I have just created, and I have added my vlog to this project. And then now it's time to add caption that can appear on our screen while we're talking. Okay, I'm going to show you the original video. Okay, and to add caption, we can go to the text menu and select the captions, and then you need to choose the language. Okay, and my video is in English, so I'm gonna select English, and here you can choose video. And then here you can choose the template for your caption. And I'm going to choose this one, the vlog style. Okay, I'm going to click on the check mark. And then we can click on start to start creating caption for our video. Okay, and now the caption is being created, and the words will appear on my screen while I'm talking. And now it's still processing. Okay, maybe, oh, okay. Okay, now the captions have been created, guys, and I'm going to show you how it looks. Hi everyone, on the way to the office, happily. Okay, and I think I need to make it bigger, so I'm going to zoom in like this. Okay. Hi everyone, I'm on the way to the office, happily. Okay guys, and that's all the way to make words appear on your screen while you're talking in your video using InShot video editor. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and if you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit the like button, leave your comments, and also subscribe to this channel. See you in the next video guys.